Hello, my name is Bryan Kneeland and I'm an independent insurance agent here in the Fox Valley. I have been in the insurance industry since 1983, and as an associate of Adamino and Associates, I have the ability to place insurance with more than 24 great companies. If you're watching this video, it's because for whatever reason, you decided to watch a short or summary version of the full-length video entitled, What You Should Know About Insurance. Therefore, please realize that this short video will only give you the key points without the detail that you can find in the full version. You of course can watch the full version of What You Should Know About Insurance when you have the time. So let's begin. I developed this website and videos with the goal of saving you money by clearing up some misconceptions concerning insurance and insurance companies, and to provide you with information I believe everyone needs to know about insurance. If you are currently insured by one of these companies, this information is of particular importance to your situation. By the way, these companies are referred to as multi-line exclusive or captive companies. The key thing to remember about these companies is that their agents can only sell you insurance for that particular company. As you might guess, one of the biggest problems with captive agents and the one company they represent is inflexibility. If for whatever reason that company needs to raise its rates for home insurance or auto insurance, the agent can only suggest you raise your deductibles to help reduce the impact of the rate increase. They have nowhere else to go. Independent insurance agents, such as myself, contract with many insurance companies to satisfy your particular insurance needs. Independent agents have the flexibility to find the companies that are best suited for your particular insurance situation and at the best price available from those companies. At Adamino and Associates in Kimberly, Wisconsin, where I'm an associate, we have more than 24 great companies to choose from to satisfy your particular needs. Credit-based insurance scoring is the new rating factor in the industry, and the impact of your score and the rates you pay can vary wildly between companies. Life changes, such as adding a youthful driver or having a claim, can negatively impact your rates. And if your insurance is with a captive agent and they're one company, or a direct writer like Geico or Esurance, you've severely limited your ability to find the best rate available for your particular situation. Buying your insurance from an agent who is with a captive insurance company, primarily because of friendship, can be very expensive. If your insurance agent is your friend, wouldn't they understand if you leave because you could save hundreds of dollars each and every year by moving to a different insurance company? Because of something called reinsurance, you don't have to be with a big insurance company to feel confident that your claims will be paid, even if there are major losses for that company. Be aware of when your policy or a quote from an insurance company includes short or limited term discounts that reduce over time or possibly stop at some time in the future. Package policies whenever possible, as the available discounts can be sizable. The primary benefit of a local agent is knowledge. A local agent gets to know your particular situation, knows how insurance works, and is your advocate when you need them. If it's been more than a few years since you've had an insurance review with your agent, call them. If they call you, accept their offer to review your insurance. You don't want to be surprised when that claim occurs and things don't work out the way you expected them to. Listen to your agent's recommendations, but remember, you are the final decision maker as to any recommendations made. Insurance companies don't fix your car or put a new roof on your house. Your insurance company calculates how much they owe you because of a covered loss based on an estimate of repairs or the assessment of a claims adjuster, taking into account the coverages you purchased for that policy, and then they cut a check. You don't care if the check comes from a big company or a regional company. You just want the check. This is one area where having a great agent is critical. If the policy wasn't structured properly at the time of the claim might not be covered at all or not for the amount you intended. You've probably heard the phrase, Your insurance is only as good as your agent. Your agent can also be critical during the time of a claim as your advocate in clearing up coverage questions to make sure you get what you're entitled to. If you don't have an agent because you are with a direct writer company like Geico or Esurance, you're on your own. And by the way, by placing your insurance with an independent agent, you can more than likely get your insurance for the same or even a lower price than a direct writer company, and you get the benefit of a local agent. The final misconception I'd like to discuss is you can't switch companies except at renewal time. If you can find a better deal with a great company, you can switch autos, home, and umbrella insurance at any time. Your current company is only allowed to charge you for the number of days of coverage they provided. Please note that this may not be the case if you have boats, campers, ATVs, snowmobiles, etc., which are considered seasonal policies, and also commercial insurance policies. Again, check with your agent or company to be sure before you make the change. The key point here is, if you find that you can save hundreds of dollars each and every year starting today, you want to wait 6 months or a year before you make the change? If you're interested in a professional analysis of your insurance situation, please give me a call or send me an email. I'll review your current insurance coverages, recommend any appropriate changes based on an analysis of your insurance needs, and then shop your insurance with as many top quality companies at my disposal to find you the best price. Our goal at Adamino & Associates is to match you with a great insurance company for the best available price and to be there for you when you need us. Thank you for spending some time with me today. I hope you have found this information valuable, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.